Toners don't do anything.
Toners are just expensive water.
Psych. Let's talk about it.
If toners feel confusing or unnecessary, today we'll be breaking down what they actually do, how to properly use them, and if you even need them. Hello, welcome everyone. Today we'll be breaking down step 2 in your skincare routine, which is
toner. Tina, what is toner?
Toner is a very lightweight step used after cleansing. Its job is to rehydrate the skin and prep it for the next step.
It does not replace a moisturizer. It is its own step of its own that integrates into your routine and then makes all your other steps more effective.
Yes, that was good, that was good, that was good. Some cleansers are very harsh, meaning that even though you're washing it with water, it does strip some moisture from your skin. So a toner kind of comes in and rehydrates your skin, so you're not applying serums or anything after on dry skin. So think of your skin as a sponge. When a sponge is dry, it is hard and rigid, making it difficult for water or anything else to penetrate it. But if it's already wet, water is more likely to spread across evenly, allowing things like serums and a moisturizer to penetrate more deeply.
Toner is second because it comes after the cleansing step, which strips your skin of moisture. You bring it back with the toner, it dampens your skin, rehydrates. You put the serum on after, which is your third step. Perfect, it's going to spread evenly and go deeper into your skin because of it. So it's that in between that holds it together and improves everything. Athena, let's talk about the different types of toner.
Okay, the most common type is a soothing or calming toner. These toners will soothe any redness or acne, irritation, anything you got going on that needs soothing. So for example, this is a very popular soothing toner. It's the Heartleaf 77% toner by Anua. Heartleaf is a popular ingredient for soothing, so making this a soothing toner.
Second type, exfoliating toners.
So what makes these exfoliating are, once again, the ingredients. Number one example is this Anua one has BHA in it, which is a popular ingredient for exfoliating. These toners are good if you have textured, congested, or enlarged pores. And the third type of toner?
Brightening and hydrating.
Stay hydrated. Hydrated!
If your skin is dull, uneven, or you get dehydration lines, these are the toners that will revive your skin.
And pro tip, a lot of the fine lines you think are wrinkles are actually just dehydration lines. So these toners will help plump those lines back up.
What is your go-to toner? Do you change it up in the morning or night? What's your routine?
I keep it simple. I like to use this toner right here.
Right here?
I find it very hydrating, especially for my oily skin.
Oh yeah, I used both of these.
Oh, so you use different ones.
I'm kind of going crazy right now. I'm using this rice toner in the mornings. It's super hydrating. And then in the evening, I use this one because it's good for texture and it has that exfoliating enzyme in it. The difficult task of using toners.
Kidding, it's not that difficult. After cleansing, for me personally, I don't use a cotton pad, but you can use a cotton pad. I simply just do this and then pat, 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 pat. But if you use a cotton pad, you can just swipe it along your face, but be gentle. So you use it after every cleansing step, but if you have an exfoliating toner, that should only be used, I'd say maybe 2 to 3 days.
Every 2 to 3 days in the evening only will you use your exfoliating toner. And some common mistakes in this step is rubbing aggressively and using too much. It's really only a couple drops like Athena just showed. It's supposed to just be a gentle addition to cushion the rest of your steps.
Does everyone need a toner?
No, not everyone needs a toner, although I would say most people would benefit from having it in their routine if your skin feels tight after cleansing and if you use actives.
They're also for you if you live in dry or cold climates and you want a smoother serum application. But one of my cousins, she did a skincare routine without a toner for many years and she never understood it, why and stuff, until she went to me and she was like, Athena, I have all these fine lines, my makeup, when I put on my makeup is cakey, but your skin is still nice and dewy, why? I'm I'm not doing anything different than you other than a toner. So I got her toner, she used it, and it literally game changer. Now she has 10 different toners that she switches in and out because it really does rehydrate your skin and plump up those lines that I've talked about before.
Whoa, toners.
Toners.
Wow, underrated step, honestly. Do toners work? Are toners just fancy and expensive water? What do you think our answer is gonna be?
Yes, they do work, but it's not as an immediate or obvious effect as compared to a serum or a moisturizer.
I think there's more of a long-term benefit with toners, especially with the hydration effect they have.
You don't need horse tests. It's the right one for your skin.
We're really gonna get the people with that one.
If you haven't watched our full routine video yet, start there because that is the entire roadmap to a skincare routine.
In next week's video, we're breaking down serums and actives and how it's so easy to overdo it. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you're here next week to see that one as well.
Thank you for watching this video and we'll see you next time.